Think you know everything about dogs? Think again. Today, we're debunking 5 unbelievable myths about dogs that will blow your mind. Get ready to have your perception of man's best friend turned upside down. Welcome to Paw Prince TV, where we uncover the secrets to understanding and caring for our furry friends. In this episode, we'll explore 5 common myths about dogs that many people still believe. Stick around to find out the truth behind these fascinating canine misconceptions. Myth 1. A wagging tail means a happy dog. One of the most widespread myths is that a wagging tail always means a happy dog. While a wagging tail can indicate happiness, it's not always the case. Dogs use their tails to communicate a range of emotions. For example, a slow, stiff wag can indicate caution or insecurity, while a fast, low wag might signal fear or submission. Let's take a closer look at the different tail wags and what they mean. Imagine your dog is meeting a new person for the first time. If their tail is wagging low and fast, they might be feeling nervous or unsure. On the other hand, a high, broad wag often means your dog is excited and happy. Always consider the entire body language of the dog to understand their true feelings. According to a study published in the journal Current Biology, the direction of the tail wag can also convey different emotions. Dogs tend to wag their tails more to the right when they are happy and to the left when they are anxious. This fascinating insight helps us understand the complexity of canine communication. Myth 2. Dogs see in black and white. Another common myth is that dogs see the world in black and white. The truth is, dogs can see colors, but not as vividly as humans. They have dichromatic vision, meaning they see shades of blue and yellow but have difficulty distinguishing between red and green. Let's explore how this affects their perception of the world. Have you ever wondered why your dog might prefer a blue toy over a red one? It's because blue is a color they can see more clearly. When playing fetch in the yard, choosing a blue or yellow ball can make it easier for your dog to find and retrieve it. A study conducted by the University of California found that dogs' eyes contain fewer color-detecting cells called cones compared to humans. This explains their limited color vision, but doesn't mean they see the world in dull shades. Dogs rely heavily on their other senses, such as smell and hearing, to navigate their environment. Myth 3. You can't teach an old dog new tricks? Ever heard the saying, "You can't teach an old dog new tricks"? This myth is far from the truth. Dogs of all ages are capable of learning new behaviors and tricks. While older dogs may take a bit longer to learn due to habits formed over the years, with patience and positive reinforcement, they can be just as trainable as puppies. Consider an older dog that has never learned the sit command. With consistent training sessions and positive reinforcement like treats and praise, even a senior dog can master this basic command. Training not only provides mental stimulation, but also strengthens the bond between you and your dog. Research published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology shows that older dogs can learn new tasks, although they might need more repetitions to achieve the same level of proficiency as younger dogs. The key is to use positive reinforcement techniques and keep training sessions short and enjoyable. Myth 4. A dry nose means a sick dog. Many people believe that a dry nose is a sure sign of a sick dog. However, a dog's nose can be wet or dry for various reasons, and a dry nose alone is not an indicator of illness. Factors such as weather, hydration levels, and even sleep can affect the moisture of a dog's nose. Let's debunk this myth further. If your dog has a dry nose after a nap, it doesn't necessarily mean they are unwell. Similarly, a wet nose doesn't always indicate good health. It's important to look for other signs of illness, such as changes in appetite, energy levels, or behavior, before jumping to conclusions. Veterinarians emphasize that while the nose can provide some clues about a dog's health, it's not a definitive diagnostic tool. A healthy dog can have a dry nose, and a sick dog can have a wet nose. Always consult with a veterinarian if you notice any concerning symptoms. Myth 5. Dogs eat grass because they're sick. Lastly, there's a myth that dogs eat grass only when they're feeling sick. While some dogs do eat grass to induce vomiting, most do it simply because they like the taste or texture. Eating grass is a common behavior and usually not a cause for concern unless it's accompanied by other signs of illness. Imagine your dog is outside in the yard, happily munching on grass. This behavior can be completely normal, and is often just a part of their natural curiosity. However, if your dog frequently eats grass and vomits afterwards, it might be worth discussing with your vet. Studies suggest that eating grass is a normal behavior for dogs and is not necessarily linked to illness. Dogs are omnivores and might eat grass as a natural part of their diet. As long as your dog is otherwise healthy and not showing signs of distress, there's usually no need to worry. Time for a quick quiz. Let's see what you've learned. What can a slow, stiff wag of a dog's tail indicate? A. Happiness. B. Caution or insecurity. C. Excitement. How do dogs see colors? A. In black and white. B. Only in shades of red and green. C. In shades of blue and yellow. Can older dogs learn new tricks? A. No, they can't. B. Yes, with patience and positive reinforcement. C. Only puppies can learn new tricks. Comment your answers below and let us know if you got them all right. By debunking these common myths, we hope to provide a better understanding of our beloved canine companions. Dogs are complex creatures with unique behaviors and needs, and knowing the truth behind these myths can help us care for them better. Enjoyed this video? Subscribe to Paw Prince TV for more insights into your furry friend's behavior and well-being. Click the bell notification button to stay updated on our latest videos. Our next episode will explore dogs' weirdest sleeping positions and what they mean. Don't miss it.